Jai Srimanarayana. 255th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Siddhidaya Namaha. O Srimanarayana, I realize that you are the one who blesses the devotees with all kind of attainment, the Siddhi. O Srimanarayana, I also learned that according to Shastram, there are 8 different attainments which are known as Ashtasiddhi. Anima, becoming very small. Mahima, becoming huge. Garima, becoming having so much weight. Laghima, becoming having no weight at all. Prapti, as and how we think of getting something, we will be able to getting that kind of attainment. Prakamyam, wherever we want to go, we should be able to go immediately, instantly and enjoy everything. That is prakamyam, that kind of attainment. Isatvam, being at one place but controlling all the things around us. That is Isatvam. Vasitvam, keeping all of our organs, indriyas under our own control. Conquering all our organs, indriyas. This kind of Ashtasiddhi also will be blessed by you to the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Siddhidaya Namaha. Om Siddhidaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.